You're looking for an alkaline diet review? The alkaline diet is also known as the acid-alkaline diet or alkaline-ash diet. Certain food groups are considered acidic, alkaline, or neutral, acidic, meat, poultry, fish, dairy, eggs, grains, alcohol. Neutral, natural fats, starches, and sugars. Alkaline, fruits, nuts, legumes, and vegetables. What meats are alkaline? Certain food groups are considered acidic, alkaline, or neutral, acidic, meat, poultry, fish, dairy, eggs, grains, alcohol. Neutral, natural fats, starches, and sugars. Alkaline, fruits, nuts, legumes, and vegetables. What do you eat on an alkaline diet? Most fruits and vegetables, soybeans and tofu, and some nuts, seeds, and legumes are alkaline-promoting foods, so they're fair game. Dairy, eggs, meat, most grains, and processed foods, like canned and packaged snacks and convenience foods, fall on the acid side and are not allowed. Can I eat chicken on an alkaline diet? The perfect way to balance alkaline-forming and acid-forming foods, if you are someone who eats chicken, fish or meat, is to follow the 80-20 rule, have plenty of vegetables, served on a base of grains, with your protein perched on top. What foods should I avoid on an alkaline diet? What food can't you eat on alkaline diet? Eggs. Meat and animal protein. High salt and processed foods, like snack chips. Caffeinated drinks. Are bananas alkaline? Bananas are generally considered to be alkaline in nature and not acidic, says Patrick Takahashi, MD, a gastroenterologist at St. Are potatoes alkaline? Although they're higher in starch, sweet potatoes are an alkalizing food that provides your body with plenty of fiber, vitamins and minerals. These potatoes are also an excellent food when it comes to eating for energy and providing your body with a boost of alkaline nutrients. Can cancer live in an alkaline body? True, cancer cells can't live in an overly alkaline environment, but neither can any of the other cells in your body. Blood is usually slightly alkaline. This is tightly regulated by the kidneys within a very narrow and perfectly healthy range. How do you make your body more alkaline to fight cancer? Cancer cells thrive in acidity, low pH, but not in alkalinity, high pH, so a diet high in alkaline foods like fruits and vegetables that also limits acidic foods, such as those from animal products, will raise blood pH levels and create an environment in the body that discourages cancer growth. Is spinach acid or alkaline? Spinach, most leafy green vegetables are alkaline forming in the body, but spinach is one of our favorites because it's so versatile. Even those who don't love greens, will often enjoy spinach because of its mild flavor. How do I become more alkaline? The alkaline diet basically reinforces good, old-fashioned healthy eating. The diet recommends eating more vegetables, fruits and drinking lots of water and cutting back on sugar, alcohol, meat and processed foods. Can you eat rice on an alkaline diet? Barley, corn, rye, oat bran, buckwheat, wheat, spelt, semolina, white rice, millet, kasha, amaranth, brown rice. Avoid all refined flour products such as white bread, pasta, cakes, pies, cookies. Legumes including beans, peas, lentils and peanuts. Can you drink alkaline water every day? Recommended daily intake. As there is no evidence to support the health benefits of alkaline water, there is no recommended amount that improves health. However, if you wish to start drinking alkaline water, start with a low intake and increase it gradually. Can your body be too alkaline? When the levels of acid in your blood are too high, it's called acidosis. When your blood is too alkaline, it is called alkalosis. Respiratory acidosis and alkalosis are due to a problem with the lungs. Metabolic acidosis and alkalosis are due to a problem with the kidneys. Chances are like me, you've been searching around the internet for quite some time to find something that works. You've seen other reviews and may have watched other videos but just still don't know if alkaline diet is for you. I struggled for years to get the results that I wanted because I often listened to all these nutrition companies and their false promises. I realized I didn't need another diet pill but something that was sustainable long term but gave me results fairly quickly to motivate me to keep moving forward. I realized it wasn't just about the right supplementation but the diet and workout plan as a whole. Once I found the right diet and workout plan that wasn't going to leave me quitting in days or weeks, and that was long term, that's when everything changed. So before you go into diving in and wasting your hard-earned money on another supplement that may work only temporarily, go to the link in the description to create lasting change. It will give you everything from dieting, to supplementation all the way down to a workout plan that works for you.